Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll introduce our flat bars. Designed for structural reinforcement and aesthetic appeal, these bars provide enhanced stability and a seamless finish for glass installations, making them an excellent choice for various architectural applications. Our flat bars are crafted from aluminum 6063 T5, offering a perfect balance of strength, beauty, and durability. Available into lengths 98 inches and 144 inches, these bars measure 1/16-inch thick and 3/4 wide, making them an ideal addition to a wide range of glass installations. These bars are available in 6 premium finishes: chrome, brushed nickel, matte black, satin anodized, satin brass, and gold. Before installing the flat bars, ensure that all glass components are securely in place for achieving a strong and lasting installation. We recommend placing the flat bars on both the inside and outside. This ensures added stability and a consistent, professional finish on both sides. Step 1: Planning and marking. Determine the design and placement of the flat bars based on project requirements. Mark down the positioning carefully to ensure alignment with the glass structure. Step 2: Applying high-bond adhesive tape. Choose the appropriate high-bond adhesive tape based on the surface and installation needs. First, apply the adhesive tape onto the flat bar, ensuring full coverage for a secure bond. Step 3: Placing the flat bars. Carefully position the flat bar with the tape onto the glass, aligning it with the marked positions. Press down firmly to secure them in place and achieve the desired look. Grey Goat Hardware flat bars are ideal for residential and commercial applications, providing durability and an industrial aesthetic to glass installations. Whether you're enhancing glass installations for aesthetics or strength, our premium finishes and durable construction ensure a perfect fit. Upgrade your space with Grey Goat Hardware's flat bars. Visit ggshardware.com to explore our full range of glazing solutions.